What is the noise of silenced women? They'd have us believe it's a roar, but this week it's been a shrill whine, like an overheated electrical device, or a dentist's drill grinding through enamel into dentin, then pulp, until the smell of burnt bone scorches my nostrils, and the sound fills my head until it's all I can hear, that shrill, shrieking whine of those silenced women. What is the noise of silenced women? Why are they still speaking? Can no one make them stop? The sound of them is a reminder of things I can't consider, don't want to know, don't want to hear. Shut up, shut up, shut up. What is the noise of silenced women? I did my best to ruin them, and yet they're still here, still breathing, still whining, still alive. How did this happen? If I sniff them out, could I snuff them out? Extinguish them, exterminate, eradicate, erase. What is the noise of silenced women? We failed last time to make them wheeshed. This time we must do better. Smother them, I think, or use a muzzle, a gag, a silent stiletto between the ribs, something permanent. A final solution to this bothersome problem of those women who fail to comply, who won't pipe down, who refuse to die, who keep on fighting their silly battle, eye roll, whining and shrill, lol, when all I want to hear is their ultimate breath and euphoric death rattle, the terminal and pleasing noise of those at long last silent women.